Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. In this video we're going to look at the coffee futures price. We haven't looked at this commodity since October. We were bearish on it then, and really we remain bearish on it now. Coffee's gonna go weaker. It's in a downtrend. There's no positive momentum around. It has bounced recently, but into resistance. Those moving averages are going to take coffee lower. Let's look at those charts. So looking at the longer term, so here we're looking at the weekly charts. So each candle represents 1 week's trade. And you can see that the coffee price remains in this downtrend that was in place at the last video. The moving averages are tracking down. Yes, we've bounced, but that was just from the lower boundary of this downtrend. We're not even mid yet. The 20-week is tracking down very severely and will push the commodity lower. Momentum remains negative. The RSI at 42.91, and you can see those MACD are still tracking down. In fact, it's starting to roll. I would not be surprised if the short term moves back below the longer term and indicates a further sell signal. Looking at the daily, you can see that we did bounce, we have bounced, but that's right up to the resistance straight away of the 20 and the 50-day moving average. It was very bearish that the 20 failed to get back above the 50 and then is moving down from that 50, and above there also the 200 is tracking downwards as well. RSI, although it has broken the short-term downtrend, is still below 50. I would suggest that if that tracks down, it'll create another downtrend, and the MACD still indicative of negative momentum, with them both below zero. Yes, the short term is narrowing the differential with the longer term, but it was slightly overextended. One would expect that shorter term to tick down again very shortly. Looking at the support and resistance levels, we've got resistance at that 20-day, 123.57, then at 125.05, with supports 117.05 and 113. I had to go all the way back to 22nd of June to find that second support level. So that's been TA for Traders looking at the coffee future. As I said, it does look quite bearish for coffee. Be aware that these videos are just for educational purposes and are my opinions, and they are not an investment recommendation. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe. You then get email updates when I come out with further videos. I don't just look at commodities. I look at the FX, equity indices and single stocks in the UK and the US.